Hi, welcome to AwkwardHamster. Today I got a review of a TaoTronics mini wireless Bluetooth keyboard. This model number is TT-MK003. So here's the unit. Let's take a look on the back. So this is a Bluetooth keyboard that works with the iPad mini, the iPads, the iPad Air, Nexus, Galaxy, and a lot of other tablets. So in the box it came with a manual. Let's take a look at this manual here. So there's a number of keys all laid out, and home on the back we have the specifications. Since it's Bluetooth, the range is, let's see, 10 meters. The operating voltage less than 5 milliamps. Standby is 1.2 milliamps, and the Bluetooth version is version 3.0. So here, this is the actual keyboard. Let's take a closer look at the keys. On the top, there's an LED for status indicator for the battery, and also when you turn the unit on, this LED lights up for a brief period. It doesn't stay lit. Basically, it wants to conserve as much battery as it can. And another thing you'll notice is over here, this is actually the home button for like the tablets, and it's not an escape button. On the back, we have 4 non-slip pads. We have the power button, the connect, and over here is the battery compartment where it holds 2 AAA batteries. To demonstrate this, I'll be using my MacBook Air. First, I'm going to power the unit on, and just give it a couple seconds. Bluetooth is blinking. Now it's connected. So I'm going to just launch notes. Let's start a new note, and I'm going to say this is a test of the mini keyboard. And there's really no lag. I don't notice the lag whenever I'm typing out any of the keys. How are you today? And say I'm done. I just want to head back and press the home button. And if I press the home button twice, this comes up. And if I want to shut off the screen, I can just press the delete button and the iPad shuts off. Now let's talk about some of the pros and cons. First, the pro. This is very affordable. It's $14. It's thin, very thin, and the only bulk is just here where it holds the compartment, the battery compartment, as well as the Bluetooth and other electronics. Typing on this is very comfortable. It's not as cheap as the keyboards on those inexpensive laptops. And whenever I'm typing, I don't feel it sinking in or anything. The keys are very responsive. It does not appear that any of these letters or numbers will be smearing off anytime soon. It's lightweight. I can just basically just put this in my bag and just go. The standby time for this is 90 days. Now for the con. I do miss having an escape button on the keyboard. Yes, this is built mainly for portable devices such as the Galaxy Tab or the iPads, but it does work for the MacBook Pros with the OS X operating system. It does work with like my Windows 7 laptop, and you'd be surprised. I actually use the escape button quite often. Overall, I'll highly recommend this unit. You can get it on Amazon.com for $14. If you guys have any questions, comments, suggestions, feel free to contact me. Thanks for watching AwkwardHamster. Bye.